In this tech tip, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to begin organizing the mail that comes into your Gmail inbox. Right now, I'm not doing any filtering of any kind, so every message I get goes into one long list, which is known as the primary inbox. I'm going to click on the gear, and I'm going to go into Configure Inbox. Google assigns a category to every email you receive, and you can enable email filtering into these categories with just a few clicks. As you can see, currently all of my email is going to primary. If I enable social, any social media messages from places such as YouTube, Google+, and Twitter will be filtered into a separate tab called Social. Promotions will pull any marketing email into its own tab called Promotions. Updates will pull things like Blackboard notifications, notifications from Google Classroom, and calendar invites into an Updates tab. And finally, if I select Forums, any mail from discussion boards, mailing lists, or groups will be filtered into a Forums tab. I am not going to select that one. If you use the star to mark messages as important, you'll want to pay attention to this checkbox. If you select it, any message that is starred will stay in your primary inbox regardless of the category to which it is assigned. So I will check that so that all of my starred email stays in primary. I'm going to click Save. And now my email is organized into tabs, which makes it much easier for me to see what's important, which is very likely in primary, and updates, and what I can look at later, which is potentially social and promotions. Obviously, if you have thousands of email in your primary inbox, the filtering will be much more impressive than my example here, but you get the idea. If something new comes in under any of these categories, there are notifications at the top of each tab that tell you exactly how many new messages you have in each category. And if you don't like the way a particular message is filtered by Google, you can change it. So I'm going to go into my Promotions tab, and I have an email here from Padlet, and I do not want these filtered as promotions. I want those to go to primary. So I am going to select the message, and I'm going to come up here to Labels, and I'm going to remove the filter Promotions, and now if I take that away, it will go to my primary inbox. To wrap up, you can use the Configure Inbox setting to quickly sort your email into predefined categories. In a future tech tip, I'll show you how to create your own Gmail filters. Like AskIT on Facebook and follow us on Twitter so you don't miss out.